Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can curve your text in Canva Pro application. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Canva application and here you will see plus options, click on it. And then you can select any template which you want to select. So for example, I want to select the Instagram post. So after selecting the template size, you will see the options of text. So simply click on it. And here you will see different options like add a heading or add a subheading. So if you want to add a heading, then click on it. So here you can write it according to you. For example, I want to write curve text. So in Canva Pro. So after writing any text, so if you want to change color, you can also change the color of text. So simply click on color and here you can change the color of text. So if you want to change the color of background, you can select it according to you. If you want to change the color of text, simply click on it and you will see the options of color. Click on here and you can change the color of text. So you can also change color of background and change the color of text. So because we want to curve this text, so simply scroll it and you will see the options of effect, and here you will see different options, and then click on shape options, and here you can see the options of curve. Click on here and you can see my text is curved. So in this way you can curve the text in Canva. So if you want to adjust it, you can adjust it according to you. When you will move it on the right side, you can see it curve in the downward. So when you will move it in the left side, you can see it curve in upward directions. So in this way you can curve your text in Canva Pro application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.